Child support is calculated pursuant to the Florida Child Support Guidelines. Essentially what we do is we take each party's gross income and the number of children. We figure out the taxes and appropriate deductions from each party's income, gross income, to get to a net income. We combine the incomes and go to the chart which is indexed with the number of children that the parties have and pull off the basic number from the chart. We then make some adjustments for the time-sharing schedule, and if there's a time-sharing schedule whereby each party has more than 20% of the time, then there's a substantial adjustment to the calculation. We then put in health insurance costs for the children, daycare costs for the children, and run the calculation, and out comes the number. There's some other adjustments and factors that are listed in the statute, but generally the calculation is the calculation, and it's fairly tough to argue with the guidelines.